Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Acura Mdx maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the Select/Reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds until the maintenance light begins to flash. This initial step prepares the system for the reset process. Once the maintenance light starts flashing, release the Select/Reset button. Immediately press and hold the button again. Continue holding it down. You will see the light change from flashing to a steady illumination, and then it will turn off completely. This indicates that the system has successfully registered your reset command. It's a straightforward process that saves you a trip to the mechanic. After the light turns off, release the button and turn your ignition completely off. Wait a few seconds, then turn the ignition back to the on position. The maintenance light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If the light remains on, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, ensuring you hold the button for the specified durations. This method works for many Acura models. Sometimes, the reset might not take on the first try. A common issue is accidentally starting the engine, so ensure the ignition is only in the on position. Also, while the Select/Reset button is standard, its exact placement can vary slightly, so consult your owner's manual if you're having trouble locating it. For more helpful tips and other great deals, check the description below this video. And if you're looking for a fantastic reading experience, you'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.